Hello friends, today we're going to read Mummy Pig's Perfect Day. It's Mother's Day. Peppa and George have made Mummy Pig breakfast in bed. Here you go, Mummy, Peppa says proudly. Daddy just helped a little bit. It's delicious, says Mummy Pig. The toast is crispy and a little burnt. My favourite. Do you really like it? Asks Peppa. It's the perfect way to start the day, says Mummy Pig, smiling. What other things would make your day perfect, Mummy? Peppa asks. Mummy Pig thinks about it. Then she says she would pamper herself and get dressed up nicely. And then I would have a special meal with my family, she adds. Suddenly the phone rings. It's Miss Rabbit and she's calling from the fire station. There's an emergency and they need Mummy Pig's help. Peppa sighs. Now we're going to have to wait for Mummy to get home before we can give her the rest of her perfect day. Then Peppa has a brilliant idea. Let's take the perfect day to Mummy, she says. Daddy Pig calls Miss Rabbit to check it's all right for them to visit. When they get to the emergency, Mummy Pig is up a very tall tree. She's rescuing Tiddles the tortoise. My mummy's so brave, says Peppa. Hello, says Mummy Pig, once Tiddles is safely on the ground again. What are you doing here? We came to give you the perfect day, says Peppa. First, Peppa and George pamper Mummy Pig. Welcome to our spa, says Peppa. She puts lovely cool cucumber slices on Mummy Pig's eyes. Goop. George picks up a pot of special muddy face cream. Goop, he says, splotting it everywhere. It's a very messy pampering session. Now it's time to get dressed nicely, says Peppa. We brought your favourite dress from home. Oh, lovely, says Mummy Pig. I'll be so glamorous. Just then, Mrs. Pony calls out, There's another emergency. Let's go. Everyone hurries in the fire engine. Nino. There's no time to waste. Nino, Nino. This time, the emergency is a big fire. Mummy Pig grabs the hose and hurries to put it out. You put the fire out just in time, Mummy, says Peppa. She and George take Mummy Pig by the hand and lead her to a very, very special picnic. We made you some more burnt toast, says Peppa, since you liked it so much. Munch, crunch, yum. Have you had the perfect day, Mummy? Asks Peppa. Yes, says Mummy Pig, giving Peppa and George a big hug. Every day with my family is perfect. Thanks for listening. I hope you liked the story.